Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, nag-flip na agad to ating Emperor. We also have the Two of Pentacles and this King of Wands, Nine of Swords, the Moon card, King of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Bottom card, Two of Swords. So, ang daming mga juggling energy ngayon, ha? Ayan. Ayan na naman yung mga energies natin. Paulit-ulit, mga undecided, nalilito sa mga, or maaari nangyari na to in the past, na itong taon to ginawa kanyang option, pero pinagsisihan niya na hindi ikaw yung pinili niya. So, yan, hindi siya makatulog sa gabi eh. Nagigilty siya sa nangyari, crying over you. So, this person is emotional right now. Meron tayong energy ng Aries and Pisces, Libra. So, sinarado nyo na to eh. Closed book na. Pero hindi pa rin makalimutan ng iba. Coffee, snake. So, maaari kasing yung pinili niya is snake pala. Or hindi nagpakatotoo sa kanya. Knife. So, masakit. Very painful tong separation nyo. Candle and butterfly. So, nagkaroon na siya ng spiritual awakening, change. Malaking pagbabago ang nagaganap dito ngayon sa taong to. Scissor. So, matagal na kayo walang communication. Tingnan natin message ng Archangels. So, laking paghihinayang niya na itong taong to pa yung pinili niya. May energy ng snake card, yung taong pinili niya over you. Clairaudience by Archangel Zadkiel. Notice the loving guidance you hear inside your mind or from other people. So, huwag mong baliwalain yung mga payo sa iyo ng mga tao or yung mga naririnig mo inside your mind. Mga payo sa iyong inner self or higher self. Letting you go, walking away, I am a liar. Ayun oh. Eto siya ngayon eh. Crying over you, feeling lost, can we start again? I'm honest to you, stubborn but practical. I want to grow old with you, I want to see you this weekend. So gusto kanya makita eh. Please accept my cup of love to offer again this cup of love. Okay, sumahal ka pa rin niya. So many things remind me of you, finding out the truth, crushed me, I wish I had treated you better. Ito sa mga pinanghihinayang pinagsisisihan niya. You speak to me through music, you and I were too young. You came closer than anyone. I want to tell you how I feel. We will be together again. So naniniwala siya mangyayari to. Tingnan natin sa initials. Letter V. L, R, B, Q, E Z O K. Okay. Letter A, M bottom card. So, let's see sa blue card natin. Past life lover. Manifestation. And the runner card. So, okay. So, 555 angel number. So, malaking change talaga ito. Lalo na ngayon, kung ikaw ay mga fixed signs, sa mga fixed signs natin. Ayan, malaking changes ito. Coming in. So, tingnan natin. Gemini, food lover, high expectations, popular, practical, other country, patience please, September, birthmark, October, good heart, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Visayas, weird, kind-hearted, very lucky, smart, Libra, skin tag, Cancer sign, animal lover, karmic relationship, nature lover, number 4, private person, December, number 2, green-minded, attractive, sarcastic, cup, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Mindanao, and plastic. So, nasa ilalim, flower. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.